Good day. I'm here to explain our group activity. And we chose syntax, which would be our sentence structure, and also punctuation. We realized that punctuation was a common problem, or the use of proper punctuation was a common problem in all of our compositions. So we decided to make a simple but effective activity that would address that concern. So our activity comprises of sentences, sentence strips, and also different punctuation marks to choose from. So, how this activity goes, the children would be divided into groups of fives, and each team member would take a turn uh, picking up a sentence strip. They go back to their team, they read it, and then they decide which punctuation mark would complete that sentence. In this instance, what an amazing day, the punctuation mark that would complete that would be our exclamation mark. When they choose the correct punctuation mark, the team will get 1 point. If they get it wrong, then the other team gets a chance to steal. And then if they decide it on the right punctuation, then they would steal that point away. And so it would continue like that until all of our sentence strips are exhausted. So the punctuation marks we're focusing on would be question mark, full stop, comma, apostrophe, and the exclamation mark. And so there'll be a variety of sentences uh, in with varying difficulties that would allow the children to reinforce their knowledge of the use of punctuation marks. We're using this activity to reinforce to them that punctuation marks not only give structure to our compositions, but they also help us to understand better. For example, with an exclamation mark, we know that this punctuation would tell us that a lot of emotion is involved. We have to read that sentence with emotion or with a loud voice. So something exciting is happening, um, or someone is expressing surprise. With our question mark, well, we know that that would tell us that a question is being asked, and so that would also uh, signal to us how that sentence should be read and also how it should be understood. The full stop, well, that ends a declarative sentence, and that also influences the way we would read and understand a sentence. So it's not just about putting ideas on the page, but the use of punctuation marks enhances our compositions by making it more readable and understandable. So that is the end of our simple activity. And hopefully by the end of it, we would meet our objective of having our children choose the right punctuation marks when they're writing their compositions.